So I decided to make a video of how to make attractive thumbnails in Photoshop 7.0. Before I move on, welcome to my YouTube channel, Gabriel Tech. I am Gabriel. So now, making thumbnails in Photoshop is very good to attract your viewers, to make them watch your videos. Then we are going to import our we're going to import a picture we want to use as a thumbnail. We'll import the picture. Okay, yeah, here is the picture. So I'm going to go to the magic wand tool. Yeah, magic wand tool. I'm going to click on it, then hold shift, then drag it over here. Also hold shift to drag this over here. Then I'm going to right click. Then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this, which is select inverse. Then I'm going to press Ctrl C, which I'm going to copy it. Then press Ctrl N for new. Then I'm going to change the width to 1240, which is the thumbnail pixel. Then change the height to 720. Then we're going to make it transparent. Not going to put any background color, but make it transparent. We're going to click OK. Then after that, we're going to paste it. Ctrl V. We'll paste the picture. Then we're going to adjust it. Then we'll go to here, which is showing me the arrow. Then we're going to adjust the picture. If you don't hold shift to adjust the picture, it's going to look somehow. So you hold shift when you are adjusting the picture. Okay, I'm adjusting the picture. Adjust the picture. Okay, so now I've finished adjusting the picture. Yeah, I've finished adjusting the picture, so I'm going to press enter. Now we're going to add background. We're not going to leave it like this, which is transparent. We're going to add some background. Now we'll go to our file explorer. Then we're going to look for a good background, an attractive background. So I'm going to click on my background now. Now which background will be good, which background will be attractive? Let's see. Okay, let me use this background. Okay, so here's the background. Then we're going to click on the which is named the rectangular marquee tool. We're going to click on it. Then hold shift to copy. Hold shift. Okay, sorry, we're going to redo it again. Hold shift. Hold shift to hold shift, then drag. Then press Ctrl C. Then we're going to move this out of here. Then press Ctrl V. We're going to paste it. Also, we're going to we're gonna make it to fit the thumbnail. So we're going to go to our arrow bar, which is we'll click on this arrow here, move to V. Then we're going to adjust, hold shift to adjust it. Then we're gonna adjust it like this. We're also gonna adjust it like this. Also, we're gonna adjust this. Okay, wow, the background I've just covered my face, but don't worry, we're going to bring my my picture. First of all, you press enter, then we bring our picture. We're going to adjust the layout. Okay, yeah, now you see and see we've changed the background. Now we've put a new background, which is this. Okay, so now we're gonna add our text. Yeah, we're gonna add our text. Then let me say, okay, thumbnail maker. Then I'm going to go back to this arrow and hold shift to adjust the text. We're gonna adjust those tests. Do you also know you can change the colors? We can change this color now. Yeah, we can change the color. Okay, now let's change the color. Yeah, what color are we going to change into? So we're going to click on the text bar. I'm going to press apply, then change the color. We can change the color to anyone. Now which color will be good? Okay, let's use white. Let's use white. White color will be good. This will be okay. So now we've made it. Then we can also outline the text. If we want to outline the text, we'll go to our layer, then go to layer style, then we're going to click on stroke. Then we're going to outline the text. Okay, let's see if black will be good. Let's see. Let's drag this here and see if black will be good. Okay, go click OK. Let's see if black is okay. Okay, so if I outline it now, so we outline it with, I can decide to adjust the size of the black outline, and can make it more bigger. Okay, we're gonna click OK. Then we're going to write another text. If you want to write another text, you click on the text again. Then we're going to write the maker. I'm gonna also adjust this. You hold shift, then you bring it here. Yeah. So after that, we're going to outline the text too. We're going to outline it. Click on layer, go to your layer style. Then we're going to go to our stroke again and change the color to black. Okay, then we're going to adjust the size to the one we did, which was 16. Yes, so we're going to click OK. So now we've made this. Also, if you want to outline the picture, it's not hard. We're going to, here is the picture, which is the layer 1. Then we're going to go to our layer again, click on the layer style, click on stroke, and we're going to outline the picture. I would love to outline it with white. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I can make it big, or I can make it look like this. Alright, so now we are done with that. We'll finish making our thumbnail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it really helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like those videos, share with your friends, comment if it really helped you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.